I started thinking, how would I get there? How for someone who is starting over from zero, how do you get from just knowing networking and Wi-Fi to then automating a network? And what I've done is I've taken the Automate the Boring Stuff book with Python. So that's this book right here. I've taken this book and I started reading it. And it's not just the only resource I'm using, it's just one that I've had for some time and then just got to start somewhere, right? And so that's where I'm first starting. And that's just to help me get the Python fundamentals and understanding how to use Python. And if you guys have questions or comments, go ahead and feel free to put them down. I'll try to monitor them. But the second piece of how to get there is then taking what I've learned from Python and then implementing that with networking. And so that's why I have the Mastering Python Networking book. Also, this one by Eric Chu. It's got a lot of great content in here, specifically about how you could use Python and networking. And so eventually I will transition to that book. What I like about Automate the Boring Stuff is there are certain things that I can probably take advantage of with workflows. So whether that's looking at CSVs or um, JSON and trying to take that data and do something with it. And then mastering Python networking will help me interact with network devices, right? Firewalls, switches, access points, you name it. And then the next part of me getting there is I wanted to do this in 12 months. And so I kind of laugh at that because it's an aggressive learning plan. So I'm writing out exactly what I would do in the 12 months in order to get to a uh, a position where I can do network automation. And I think that will be challenging. It's not easy and it will take a lot of time and commitment. But I think even if my daughter maintains her path, she's not doing network automation, she's just learning how to code. I think it'll help me reinforce also what I learn. And then the next part is while I'm on that path is to just go live on my stream and just kind of hash that out, do a quote unquote study session. So going live regularly to study and implement what I've learned. Now I won't be reading the books live, but I will have already read the book as part of or the chapter as part of my plan, and then it's just more about practicing and putting it together.